Ever missed an important call only to be greeted by a robotic beep when you called back? Frustrating, right? Imagine a world where missed calls aren't just forgotten voices in the ether. A world where you're in control of how people leave you messages. A world powered by MightyCall. Let's dive in. You've probably heard of virtual phone systems. They're those digital setups businesses use to manage calls efficiently. But what about the personal touch? That's where voicemail comes in. MightyCall isn't just about routing calls. It's about making sure every call counts. So, you're probably wondering, how do I set up this voicemail magic? Good question. Let's break it down. First off, you need to log in to your MightyCall dashboard. Picture it as the control center for your call universe. Once you're in, navigate to the call flow section. Think of this as the roadmap for your incoming calls. Here, you can decide what happens when the phone rings, whether it's forwarded, sent to voicemail, or answered by a live person. Now, let's talk voicemail greetings. This is your chance to shine. Head to your profile, then to Greetings and Media. Here, you can record a custom greeting. Be creative. Make it professional, friendly, or even a bit quirky. Just remember, this is the first impression you'll make on callers who can't reach you live. But what if you want a general voicemail box for your entire team? MightyCall's got you covered. In the call flow section again, look for the general voicemail box option. You can set it up to receive voicemails for specific call flows or even your entire business number. Once your voicemail is set up, you'll start receiving email notifications for new messages. No more missed calls slipping through the cracks. You can even listen to messages directly from your email or within the MightyCall dashboard. But wait, there's more. MightyCall offers voicemail transcription. That's right, you can get a text version of your voicemail. Perfect for those times when you're on the go or just prefer reading to listening. Setting up voicemail on MightyCall isn't just about technology. It's about enhancing your communication. It's about making sure every caller feels valued, even when you can't pick up. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember your voicemail is more than just a message. It's your digital voice, so make it count.